Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the front loop single crochet stitch. It's a very simple stitch to make and it gives you a beautiful texture on both sides of the fabric, and it's because we're only working into the front loops. We're leaving the back loops free to give us that ribbed texture. So the front loop single crochet is made exactly the same as the single crochet, except it's only worked into the front loops of the previous stitches. So to get started in the round or the row, we're just going to chain one, and we're going to go, instead of going under both loops, we're just going to go under the front loop. We're just going to catch that first loop there. Okay, and we're going to leave the back loop free. We're going to wrap the yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, wrap the yarn over again and pull through, and that's your first stitch complete. So then once again we're gonna go in the next stitch and we're just gonna catch that front loop. Gonna wrap the yarn over and pull through, wrap the yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay,